Today I'm doing a video on
Terracotta feet. What are these?
these are basically terracotta ceramic feet that you use to prop up your planters like this. The idea is that it will keep the drainage better, promote the root growth, and avoid staining the surface that's in contact with. And I just recently discovered these products from somebody else, and I thought it would be a good idea for the deck because I just painted the deck and I realized that the places where the planters sit seems to deteriorate the paint and the wood faster than other areas. I think it's because those areas stay wet for longer, and I'm hoping that these feet will help alleviate that issue. And when I go shopping, basically I went to Lowe's and Home Depot, and I found that they are offering different products here. The bigger one is from Home Depot. It's about $16 for 3. And then there's these smaller ones from Lowe's, which is about $9 for 3. And I tried both. They are pretty much serves the same function. The bigger one obviously props it up a little bit higher and maybe it's more suitable for bigger pots. The smaller one is just fine. I think as long as you have a little bit of a gap, then it will be serving, it will accomplish the purpose. So hopefully this video helps somebody when you're going to shop for these terracotta feet. And if you think this video is helpful, give us a like. Also subscribe to our channel, Sispo channel. And I will see you in the next one.